So this question is available capture for Rook. So given the chessboard, there is exactly one white Rook represent R and some number of white bishop and black pawn, empty square, and then pretty much this is idea. So you are given this diagram, sorry, 2D array, right? This diagram, you want to go on your 4 different directions to check can you attack a pawn, and if you can, just return the number of available capture pawn for the white Rook. So yeah, in this one you are surrounded by yourself, so you know, you're not capturing anything. This one you are capture 3 because this one is blocking. So it's pretty much straightforward. We need to find out the location of the white Rook. So how do we find this? It's going to be I equals 0, j equals 0, and then for int I equals 0, sorry, I'm going to say what, x and y. When I equals 0, I less than border length, I plus plus, j equals 0, j less than border length, sorry, 0 length, and j plus plus, if board aij is equal to what? R is pretty much, we know the location, I x equal to I, y equal to j, and then we don't need to keep traversing. Alright, so once we find out the location of this guy, right? So 4 different directions, pretty straightforward. R equal to new, you know, can be 1, 0, negative 1, 0, 0, 1, 0, negative 1. Alright, so for in directions, and then I can start in my attack, right? So imagine I'm here, right? I can traverse all the way to the left and all the way to the top, but imagine I'm here, I'm traversing all the way to the right, all the way to the bottom. So you want to make sure your boundary, right? So for in I'm going to say a equal to what? Direction is 0 plus the x, which is going to be the x-axis, right? And then b equal to direction 1 plus y. So what are my boundary? A less than 8, right? You can say border length, and also a greater or equal than 0, and it's going to be similar to the b less than what? 0 length, and b greater or equal to 0, and then we need to increment based on the what? Increment based on the direction. So it's going to be plus equal the direction, but we don't need a y, and we don't need an x. Wait, so it's going to be a plus equal. Alright, so this can be what? This can be 8, right? Because it's a fixed number of chessboard. If you have, a different chessboard, you're still going to have 8, right? And then if the board at AB, if this is equal to the P represent pawn, right? You can increment your result. So result equal to 0, result plus plus, return result. And then if else if the board A B is equal to what? Anything, should be dot, the empty dot, if not equal to the dot, if not equal to the dot, which means this is dot, this is dot, this is dot, this is not a dot. If not equal to dot, we continue, which is going to break. If you continue, you can still keep going, but we want to break out this direction, go on the next direction, which is going to be, from right to top or from right to bottom, determine which one you go. But this is one direction, and you break out, and then you go on the next direction. Okay, so spiral and do it wrong. So I have 5 for case 3. Okay, so make sure I try to do this way. Okay, pass the test case. Here's the reason why, because if I using the else if, right, I can, okay, I eat this one, but I'm still going, right? I'm still going. So even though this is not a dot, right? If this is P, and then we should stop, right? Because we don't want to keep going, right? We don't want to keep going left. And then, yeah, pretty much the idea. I was doing things wrong. So time, this is time, this is also the time. So this is going to be all of n times all of m. This is all of 4 different direction, and for different direction, the maximum range is going to be 8 by 8, right? So this will be the constant for loop. This is going to be the worst case. All of n times m. Space is constant, right? Not allocate any space. All right, see you later. Bye.